Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot versus GPT-4. But first, what is this Gemini AI? So Google has released a Gemini AI, a potent new artificial intelligence model that can comprehend photos, movies, and sounds in addition to text. Gemini is a model that may be used to complete challenging problems in math, physics, and other subjects. But as you can see here, bringing Gemini Pro to board. So this means you can experience Gemini Pro in board and unlock new ways to experience this one. So all you have to do is to click that and it will take you directly to your board experience or site. So you can simply ask anything here. For example, if you want to start or enter a prompt, like for example, you want to know more about economic status, you can just simply type it right here. And of course, Bard AI will show you this great results. Now, let's just say if you are not satisfied or if you're looking for more answers for this, you can add, for example, like, please elaborate more about this or please elaborate it. And of course, Bard AI will give you that result. So that's the good thing about this. It will guide you and help you with any subject or topic that you want to know. So it's easy to use Gemini inside of Bard. Just open the website in your browser and log in. If you refuse to make an account, Google won't let you access Bard. To test Gemini, users using Google Workspace accounts might need to switch to their personal email accounts. So what you're waiting for, create or log in to your Gemini account right now. So this is just a short introduction on how to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot. Now, if you want to know about what is the advantage of using GPT-4, so I'm going to show you the best AI for GPT-4. So this is what we call tenor share AI. Now, I am done with introducing to you the wonderful thing about Gemini and Bard AI. So now I'm going to show you this TenorShare AI. Okay, so ChatGPT supports TenorShare AI PDF tool, enabling precise extraction of any desired information. Furthermore, they offer citation assistance so that you may always use citations to verify the position of the AI explanations. So, artificial intelligence algorithms are used by AI summarizers to condense enormous amounts of content into more manageable forms, thanks to TenorShare AI. This AI summarizes main goal as to extract the most important and pertinent information from a given text. It condenses the information while keeping the main ideas and significance. There are various reasons why this tool is becoming more and more important. So this is just a bit introduction of how to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot versus GPT-4 and its advantage. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.